Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am heading home. It is Tuesday. Nothing spoils a good Friday like realizing it's only Tuesday, huh? Whew. It's been a long week already. Ugh, but it's alright. Let's see. Katie came home this weekend and that was fabulous. We had a great time. I did post a video of our MD exchange, which was the little girl gang we have going on. It was so fun. So check that out if you haven't seen it already. I posted it today, Tuesday, the 10th of September. And I'm hoping that I'll do that every month. And then I know that Lisa and I have a couple things planned and I'm hoping to video those as well. So we're going to have some fun and I hope that you guys will tag along. And I hope it's fun for you guys too. Let's see. So Katie was home and Sunday we went to, so that was Saturday that we did that, and we went and saw it on Saturday. So after we grabbed a coffee, we went to CVS and then we went home for a little while and then we went and saw it. And that was really good. I really liked it. I think that you guys, if you like that kind of a movie, if you liked the first one, let me just go with that because I'm not very good at describing or at recommending movies. I am just not. Katie loved it. I liked it a lot. I thought that it was really good, and I thought that it was a good ending to the book. Like, I think that I didn't read the book, mind you, because when I was like, I think it was 7th grade, I was trying to read the book because I thought it would be cool to read a Stephen King book, and it scared the bejesus out of me, and I have never liked clowns since because of that book that Stephen King is the author of, and he's scary. He's demented. He's got a crazy mind. It's amazing. But I'm like, holy schmoly. So I still haven't cleaned out the back seat. Sorry about that. But I thought it was a really good follow-up with the first movie, and I love it when there are kids that then are adults in the same movie. I think that that's just really cool, and this movie had that, and I really liked that. And Stephen King played a cameo in there, so that was cool. So the whole thing was just really good, and it was a 3-hour movie, but honestly it didn't seem like it was 3 hours, and I didn't even have to go to the bathroom through the whole thing. That's like an amazing accomplishment. So then that was Saturday, and then Sunday Katie and I just talked and chatted, and she wanted to know a little bit about my wedding with her dad, and so we went over the wedding album and she really enjoyed that, and that was kind of cute. It was fun for me to look through too. I don't mind that at all. I mean, her dad and I are still friends, and it wasn't a mistake. It was just, I don't even know what it was just. It was great. It was fabulous. We had a great wedding, or a great marriage for a long time. And I will always hold a special place in my heart for him because, he was my first everything almost. And he's the father to my children, So, and I'd be lying if I didn't say he's not a great guy, because he is. He is a great guy. And he's a wonderful dad. He just wasn't a fabulous husband for some of the time. And, that's okay. We all grow, and we'd been together since we were really young, and we were together for 20 years. So we had a good go. I wish things would have been differently, but they didn't. And, that's worked out too. So I can't complain at all. I really can't. My life has been great. And sometimes I think that life is what you make it. And you just have to find the happy and find the good in things. So anyway, I didn't mind looking through those at all. It didn't bother me one bit. It brought back some wonderful memories of my parents, of his parents, of that day, all of it. It was great. And she told me that she loved my dress and that she would like to use it in her dress in some way. And I was like, holy cow, are you serious? And she said yes, and it just made my day. So she can absolutely do with it what she wants. If she just wants to use some of the fabric on her dress, if she wants to alter the whole dress, I mean, anything and everything is a go, because what am I going to do with it otherwise? She's my only girl. I I want her to use it if she wants to. I think that's fabulous. And my parents would be honored too. And I think it's great. So, and she's not engaged, although they are very much in love. And I wouldn't be surprised if it happens in the next, couple of years or so. So she's thinking about it, I can tell. And they've talked about it, and she's tossing some ideas around and all of that. So it's pretty cute. And it was neat to look through that album with her. So then we took the dogs and we went to the mall, and we have an outdoor mall that is dog friendly, and they have a dog bakery in there. So we took the dogs there, and that was a lot of fun, and they got lots of treats and lots of loving, and everybody just thought they were so cute. And this isn't their first rodeo there. They love it there too. And then we went to Bath and Body Works, and they were having a little sale. So we got a few things. We didn't get a lot, but those little antibacterial things, she wanted some for school because she's a student teacher, and she wanted to wear them on her lanyard. So she got a little holder too for him. It's a little narwhal. She teaches 2nd grade, and she's a student teacher, and her teacher that teaches the 2nd grade isn't her teacher, but the teacher, the true teacher of the class, she got one for her too, because this is Spirit Week, and one of the days is Best Friends Day. So I thought that was really cute. She got herself a narwhal and got her teacher a narwhal, and so they both they are magnetic, and it says BFF or something. It's super cute. So that was fun, and she was happy about that. And then after Bath and Body Works, we went to the Dollar Tree, and I did a haul on that I don't think I've posted yet, but I will soon. And then we went to Panera, and we got food to go, and then we ate at home, and she had to leave shortly after that. I miss my girl. I love, love, love my girl. And I love, love, love my boy. And I've talked to my son, and he's doing well, which is fabulous. I'm so happy to hear it. As a mom, I just want my kids to be happy, and I'm sure that some of you guys can relate. I mean, if they're happy and healthy and in a good spot, I can breathe easy, and it makes me think, it's so great. It's so funny, and I think that that's why sometimes I love it. Well, not sometimes, all the time I love it when they're both under the roof with me, when I just know where they both are, and I know that they're well-fed and happy and healthy, and just their little heads. I love them. So that's cool. I'm so glad that they're both happy and that they're doing well. That just makes a mama's heart sing. Dennis hasn't been feeling well, so he's been laid up in bed. I haven't even talked to him, so I can't even give you any updates or anything. Oh well. It is what it is. The pups are doing fabulous. They are doing really, really well. And I do have to say that, poor Waylon. He had an accident in Bath and Body Works. Holy cow. But it was honestly cleaned up very quickly by me. I cleaned it up. But one of the ladies came over with paper towels, and she was handing them to me. And I was scooping it up and cleaning it up as quickly as I could. And I luckily had a poop bag with me, so I put it all in there. Poor Waylon. He was fine. Poor Waylon. He didn't care. Poor me. I was the one that was embarrassed having to clean up his poop in the middle of the store. But, accidents happen. And it is a dog-friendly mall. So I'm sure that I'm not the first one, or he's not the first one. I didn't poop on the floor. He pooped on the floor. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Oh my goodness. Oh no. No. That's crazy. But, cleaned it up, and then I took it outside to a trash can out there because I didn't want it to smell in the store. And, but it was great. And I mean, it was handled well and quickly, and Katie didn't even know that it happened. So, woo! She would have been so embarrassed. She would have, I don't know what she would have done. She would have been like, Mom. And I probably would have laughed, because when she does that, I don't know what else to do. And I didn't want to laugh because it really wasn't funny, but I couldn't scold him. He didn't do anything wrong. He's not potty trained yet, and he had to go. And he was being a little bit squirrely, so he was probably trying to tell me in his own little way, but I didn't know what that meant. I just thought he was being kind of squirrely about being in the store. So, oh well, it's fun. He's my little boy, and he's just fine. He's a good boy. Luckily, they don't have the bad poops anymore, you know, the puppy yucky. Ugh. It's easily cleaned up and easily taken care of, and no worries. So that was my story, and I'm glad that I just had to tell it to Katie, that I didn't have to, like, she didn't have to go through it. She would have, like I said, been so embarrassed. And tomorrow we have a baby shower at work for one of the guys that is on my team, so that's kind of fun. I did a cute little stork. I did a pink blanket, and then I put diapers. I folded up diapers and put them in. It was a Pinterest idea. I'll try to remember to post a picture at the end here. It is really cute. So, and then I did a little stork, like, on cardstock to hold it together, and then a little stork card thing. So it's cute. I think he'll like it. So that's gonna be that, and yeah. I guess that's about it. I think Friday night I'm getting together with Lisa. We're going to work on our tags, and we're going to get a care package ready for our college kids, and that'll be fun. And I guess that's that. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I hope that your week is going well and that it ends well. By the time this posts, it will be at least halfway through, so that's a good thing. Well, that's not always a good thing. I'm not trying to hurry the time away, for sure. But, this week has been a little exhausting. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.